So, I'm Phil, and this is another AI writer. Don't turn off. I will only do a new review of an AI writer now if I think it adds something else to the ballpark. And this one claims to be unique because it is the world's first fact-checked AI writer. It will not give you your AI blog until it has checked the facts and made sure there's no fakeness in there. And it's a big valid point, isn't it? If you're using AI to create your articles, to create your blogs, to get there on Google, but if everything in there is absolutely, I was going to say a bad word there. If it's waffle, if it's not true, you could get in trouble. So this fact checks your article, and it is called Katteb, Katteb. So here we go. Let's have a look at it and what it does. This is Katteb. Oh, by the way, yeah, check it out. The link that I've put in the description of this video. You can get it for the best deal. So here we go. Here is Katteb. And if I had £1 or $1 for every time I said, let's have a look at this dashboard. It's an AI dashboard, and they all look very similar. They basically, I think, all use the main master software and make themselves look a bit different. Let's be totally honest here. But obviously, they offer different tools. And here's the two that I want you to, well, the three. Let's read the top because these look interesting. So Katteb Plus, which is what we're going to, is it Katteb or Katteb? I don't know, which we're going to try today. It's fact-checked AI writing with super linguistic, not sure what. Then also credible writer, content based on credible sources for your content. If you've read some AI articles, they're away with the fairies. I think that's the best way of putting it, isn't it? And then non-factual AI assistant. So let's try the super linguistic writing. So we're going to try and, this is where I pause the video for a minute. I have a think about what I'm going to put. And when we come back, I'll have put the brief description and we'll see what this fact-checked article looks like. Right, so we're going to give this one a top test, but I've just done another video because I'm working abroad at the moment where I am singing the praises of Manycam, which not a lot of people use as a screen recorder, but I love it. I'm recording this on it now. And the reason I love it is because it's got a pause button. It sounds silly. So the best screen recorders and screen recording software I'm going to put of 2023, including Manycam, OBS Studio, and Camista. I don't really use AI to do things like this, but I just thought we would give it a try on this one. It's very hard for you to think of stuff. So let's do it friendly. You can always third person. Yeah, the third person. I don't want to say it was me, I believe. So when looking at lots of paragraphs, suggest high quality photos. Okay. We'll do that. So there you go. One variation. Should we generate it and see what... We're just going to press generate now and see how it goes. Okay, so here we go. I've only done this because I have I did another video today because I'm abroad at the moment. And I love Manycam as my screen recorder, even though it's not probably one of the most popular ones to record your screen. But for me, just the fact it's got a pause button makes it mega. So I've asked it for the best screen recorders and screen recording software of 2023 to include Manycam, OBS Studio, and Camista. And I've asked it for a friendly. You can change all of these things. Matter of fact, optimistic, professional. I've said friendly in the third person. So it's not me saying this, it's in the third person. And I've asked just for a paragraph to be written. Okay. And I clicked generate. How long did it take? So as I was clicking generate, it took a minute. And, it was checking the facts. So let's just look at the paragraph. Now, you can try this out. There's two things I want you to do. I'll put two links in this video. I'll put the link so that you can go and try it out because you can just log onto the website and have a free trial. And then also the link where you can get it for a discounted price. All right. So there's going to be two links in the description of this video. But it's created a paragraph here. 2023 is set to be a great year for screen recording with the release of exciting new software such as Manycam, OBS, and Camista. I mean, if I was being finicky, I could say, well, actually, it's not new software. That's been around for years. But Manycam is a feature-packed screen recorder for video. Manycam is a feature-packed screen recorder and video editor that lets users stream and record their screen. That is a fact. That's what it does. It also has built-in screencasting mode, making it ideal choice for gamers. A lot of gamers do use it for recording their gaming sessions. And then OBS Studio, a powerful open source software for live streaming and recording, allowing users to create professional grade video. True, it's a fact. Lastly, Camista, cutting edge software. I'm not sure if it is cutting edge anymore. I used to use it years ago. That that offers a variety of features for recording and editing videos with a suite. So if you're looking for the best screen recording software for 23, then look no further than OBS, Manycam, OBS Studio, and Camista. All right, so that gives you an idea. It has created a factual article or paragraph. So we're going to pause the video now and use the other feature. So there you go. Try it out for yourself, but I'm impressed with that. It's a factual paragraph. So, interesting little article I want. A credible article. Will ChatGPT, which this is what I'm finding fascinating at the moment, will ChatGPT destroy many existing businesses and professions such as graphic designers, stock image companies, and other creative industries? I was just saying in a previous video, you know, this AI can create a background for a video that's photorealistic. So all these companies selling stock images, who's going to be buying them? I'm sorry if you work for one of these companies. All right, now I'm not saying that Reddit is a credible source, but I just thought that Reddit will have lots of articles on this and people have done it. So we want it to create, this time we'll create a listicle, because I'm not sure what a listicle is, to be honest with you. So let's give it a try. All right, and click generate. This will give you an idea as well as how long it takes. Okay, so this is given a list with pointers, you can see, and it's given this. Will ChatGPT destroy creative professionals? Okay, I'm whispering a bit because I've just heard someone. I'm abroad, you see, and I don't want to disturb anyone. It's early. What is ChatGPT chat? So it's, all right. Have a read through that. It is actually, yeah, it is. Wow. I've just done my wow thing then. That is an involuntary wow, because I use AI all the time, and I've got to say I'm impressed with it, because it's actually creating a factual, realistic article. It's taken the source from reddit.com. It has created, so a listicle there is just pointers, isn't it? Pointers I could use, and I can copy and paste them into my blog article. I like that. I'm impressed with it. So yes, all right, we're just going to pause for a minute because there's a few more features I want to. You can pause the video as well, by the way, and have a quick look at that. There you go. Just I'm impressed with the content. Pause again because there's a few more features. Just quickly, it has got an AI art generator. I think they're all using the open source, you know, OpenAI, and they're using, you know, the DALL-E thing, but just generate it. Also on Canva as well, they're using it. What I've noticed with all of these AI art generators is they are all square at the moment. But yeah, that's a shelf. It is a shelf with technology objects. By the way, my new videos this year, less editing, more just getting this stuff out there for you. So apologies if you get bored in a bit, just whiz through it, fast forward. I know it sounds me being lazy, but honestly, you make videos, which I love doing, you spend like 3 times as long editing them. So I'm just deciding I'm going to get them out here now. And if you get bored in my videos, just fast forward a bit. Well, that's a shelf with an old iPhone on it. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that very quickly because it does do that. So it's got article rewriter as well, which is another feature. You could put one article in, it will completely rewrite that article. And yeah, that's interesting. I like it. Okay, we're going to jump out. So I know, and if you're not into AI articles, don't watch my videos on AI writers, but I'm finding the whole AI thing fascinating, like I'm sure you do. And there's a new player on the screen, Katteb it's called. So it's got the Katteb Plus, which does the fact checking, and also the credible writer, which are new things. And I've got to say, those 2 articles, go back through the video, have a look at them. What it created, that paragraph and listing, factual and made sense. And honestly, sometimes you use AI writers and they talk a bit of gibberish for you. So there you go. 2 things to do. You can have a free trial and do a couple of free articles like I can by going on their website. I'll put the link in there. And also, there'll be another link because it's got a good deal at the moment. All right, everybody. Cheers, everyone. I will see you soon with more. We're busy, making videos carefully from abroad. Hey, it's quite excited on my little laptop. So another video coming up later where I'm going to show you my little studio. Cheers, everyone. See you soon.